Welcome to an introduction to KDB-X. In this course, we will bring together elements from other courses on the Academy to showcase how KDB-X brings together the power of real-time analytics and time series processing with modern accessibility and flexibility, all designed to help you work faster, smarter, and more creatively with data. KDB-X is a major evolution for developers. It is the next generation of KDB+, a unified composable data stack that combines an integrated modular system with the proven power of the KDB+ engine. It's built to handle the full spectrum of modern data challenges, from real-time streaming analytics to large-scale AI-driven workloads. From the beginning, our goal was to unify the developer experience, to make KDB technology more accessible, open, and built for collaboration. We've made interoperability a priority, maximizing developer flexibility and productivity. The different sections in this course form a learning path, using different languages that are now native to KDB-X. So whether you prefer Q, Python, or SQL, you can now work in the language that fits your workflow. By completing this course, you will learn skills to query large tables, combine them using bitemporal joins, write your own functions, and much more. After completing the course, your final step will be to take the end-of-course quiz. Passing it will earn you your Certificate of Achievement for an Introduction to KDB-X. You will have opportunities throughout the course to receive certifications for each of the individual sections, Q, KDB-X, Python, or SQL, by completing their individual projects or quizzes. But this is totally optional. And while this introductory course focuses on the interoperability of KDB-X, I want to highlight that we have loads more resources available at developer.kx.com. This is our new Developer Centre, designed to be your hub for documentation, examples, tutorial, and collaboration. This is also where you can get access to the Community Edition, which is the full KDB-X experience, completely free with no time limits. You can even use it commercially and offline, so you can learn, build, and deploy with confidence wherever you are. So whether you're completely new to KX technology or you're an experienced developer expanding your skill set, there's something for everyone. So let's dive in and see what's possible with KDB-X.